welcome back sa aking channel. May bago na naman tayong video ngayon which is unboxing ng Sephora palette at ang gift pack na nakuha ko dahil ako ay naka 200 points na. So ito ay ang Sephora Pro Pigment Palette in Warm Tones. So talagang binalikan ko siya after ng ilang araw kasi gusto ko yung kulay and I need dark colors ng warm or earth tones. And ito na po siya. Sobrang ganda ng mga kulay. Ngayon naman ay buksan natin ang gift pack na nakuha ko sa kanila dahil ako ay naka-reach ng 200 points. So ang gift pack na nakuha ko sa kanila ay ang colorful skincare set na puro face mask. So, tignan natin ang laman. Ooh! RMG. So, that's the gift, you guys. So, meron tayong Acai Smoothie Mask. Meron din tayong Easy Stick Mask Watermelon. Okay, that's the one. Then we have here Pearl Eye Mask. Baka gumanda na ako ng sobra na. Meron tayong Lychee Face Mask. Sana all. And then meron tayong Pomegranate Eye Mask. Meron tayong bubble mask for skin detox. Ayan siya. And the other one is the freezing mask. Instant toning effect. Nakalagay ng ganyan. Okay, so I was actually expecting to get charcoal mask stick but I didn't get it. So, wait nga. So, meron tayong dalawang blue. Ito. Charcoal wala. Pink. Walang green. Oh! Oh! So it says here that I have to get those gift. Yeah, these. Ilan to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So in the box it says here in the box it says here 11 products. It doesn't really 11 products from here, but I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 products lang nakuha ko out of 11. So I am missing the charcoal mask and the Easy Stick Mask Charcoal, and another one, the Green Tea Face Mask, and then the Hero Peeling Mask 19. So I'm not really sure what happened. Maybe only 7 lang talaga. But anyway, that's what I received. So thank you guys for watching. I'll try one of these maybe today or tomorrow. So ayan na po ang ating video for today. Thank you sa inyong panonood. At huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe, and kung may suggestions kayo or recommendation, paki-comment lamang po sa comment box. At itatry kong masagot lahat ang inyong mga questions. So, doon naman sa gift na kulang, try kong tanungin ang Sephora pag nakapasyal ulit ako sa kanila. Muli, salamat sa inyong panonood. Ako si Kat, and mabuhay tayong lahat. Bye!